Hey there guys. So, since I don't have much to post today, here's just a small little update on the mower. So, it doesn't know what covers is anymore, so I can just like slap the stick away, which I'm not gonna do on fresh grass, because I don't feel like killing it. Here's our throttle return, and if you're wondering why I don't go to the actual throttle, it's because I completely removed the governor. Well, besides for that little bolt, but I don't feel like removing all the oil and dirt there. Then, we have our acceleration lever, then our choke, which doesn't even turn it off anymore. I don't know why. Especially since it does choke it, I checked, because I had to take off the entire intake thing to get rid of the governor. So now I have to use a pair of pliers to yoink the spark plug wire. We have a new battery setup, since for some reason the starter's drawing too many amps, and I don't care to learn why, and I don't know if that's exactly what's going on, but that's what it seems like. So, start this thing up. Actually, one more thing. We have a new belt. It's definitely not operated by zip tie. I still haven't gotten around to pulley swapping it because I still need to buy a pulley. So yeah. You go on the way that I freaking want you to. Stupid jumper cable. Also, I didn't care to make the belt go on the right way. So we currently do not have a clutch, which makes it really hard to shift once you're actually moving. Hold on, I need to turn the fuel on. Okay, it's just free. Okay, so the clutch is now a gas pedal, I guess. What? Alright, so we have a reverse clutch. So, as you can see, it's pretty darn loud. Yeah. Smoky as hell, because my piston rings still don't exist. Also, I put the muffler back on. But, apparently now the clutch is a reverse clutch. So now I have a gas pedal, it appears. That probably should not be like that. So I think the reason it's so damn loud is because these pieces keep hitting the freaking belt keepers. There's like 3 of them, so it's constantly just like... Also, since there's no governor, this means nothing now. I don't feel like taking the gas tank out or anything to get rid of that. Plus, I might be able to do something with this throttle thing. What? I don't freaking know. It don't really reach anywhere, but I might find something. Yeah, there's an update on the mower. So, if you didn't like this, like, comment, subscribe. And if you did, just do the same thing, I guess.